మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, బిజినెస్ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్లో నేను ఒక పేపర్ చూపిస్తున్నాను. ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్. See this question paper. So it looks like very important question paper. So in short answer section, you have a question: define statistics, define census and sample method, what is a pictogram, explain with examples. Then in last 8th question, if you see, if the sum of the squares of the difference of the ranks given by two judges A and B of 10 students is 21, means n is equal to 10, sigma d square is equal to 21. Find out the rank correlation. 1 minus 6 sigma d square by n cube minus n. Then in long answer, my dear students, what is statistical investigation? Explain the stages in statistical investigation. It's a very important question. And define classification and explain different types of classification: chronological classification, geographical classification. Likewise, my dear students, histogram came, Wojcicki curve came, and mean deviation and its coefficient from mean, f modulus d by n. My dear students, these kind of questions may also come. N is given, boys and girls. Mean weight x bar 1, x bar 2 is given. Variance, if you take root 2 variance, you will get standard deviation. Find the standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to under root variance. Standard deviation you got. Which of the two distributions is more variable? You have to find out CV. CV is equal to like standard deviation by mean into 100, my dear students. Then you need to write a comment. Calculate Carl Pearson coefficient of skewness SKP, mean minus mode by standard deviation. And here calculate the coefficient of skewness for the following data using quartiles. Means SKB, Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 into median by Q3 minus Q1. Here marks are given above: 0 to 15, 15 to 30, 30 to 30, 45, 45 to 60, 60 to 75, 75 to 90, 90 to 105. And frequency is given cumulative reverse: 180 minus 160, 160 minus 130, 130 minus 100, 100 minus 65, 65 minus 20, 20 minus 5, last one 5 you have to take as it is. And in correlation, my dear students, simple correlation is given, x and y. Small formula you can use. And rank correlation, here ranks are repeated, my dear students. Big formula you have to use. I wish you all the best. Preparing this kind of paper is very much important. And this year we are also expecting a question on primary data and second data, my dear students. Don't ignore that. It's a very important question, and you need to practice these kind of questions. And bar diagrams are also very much important, my dear students. Here range is given. Range is equal to L minus S. And also calculate mean deviation. You have to calculate mean, modulus d by n you have to take, my dear students. So try to answer these question paper. If you get any doubts, feel free to message me, and you can put the number and you can ask me which is the question you have some doubts. Classification and all theory you will get anywhere in your material or in net also. You will get the answers for that, my dear students. There are two definitions for statistics: pure definition and singular definition, my dear students. Professor Ore Secrist also given one definition for statistics based on characteristic features. Do this particular paper, my dear students. Pictograms is a theory question. A presentation of the data with the help of the pictures is said to be pictograms. Yeah, sometimes not only graphs and diagrams, some pictures also we are going to use for representation of the data, my dear students. And investigation is a thorough inquiry about one particular aspect in statistical study is said to be investigation, my dear students. The person who do investigation is called as an investigator. Yeah, histogram and Wojcicki curve, you know, my dear students. That is also known as less than and more than curve. So save this paper, share with your friends. Try to do the answers. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask me. This one I said 1 minus 6 sigma d square by n cube minus n. Hope it is clear, my dear students. Isn't it or not?